Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to upload a CSV file on Salesforce quickly and easily. First, make sure your CSV file is prepared and formatted correctly, using commas as delimiters. This helps avoid errors during the import. Next, log into Salesforce and click the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Advanced Setup. In the Setup, use the Quick Find box and type Data Import Wizard, then select it from the suggestions. Now click Import My Data, then click Start to begin the process. Choose the object you want to import into, such as leads, contacts, accounts, or campaign members. Then select I have a CSV file. Click Upload Files, browse your computer, and select your prepared CSV file. Salesforce will suggest field mappings based on your CSV headers. Review these mappings carefully and adjust if needed to make sure each column matches the correct Salesforce field. Finally, click Import. Salesforce will process the file, and your data will be uploaded into the platform. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a CSV file into Salesforce, making data management faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.